Hello, I'm Ben Domensino and this is Weatherpulse. In today's episode, we'll be answering a question that was sent to us by email. What is the jet stream and how does it affect Australia's weather? Definitions of the jet stream include relatively strong winds concentrated within a narrow stream of the atmosphere, relatively narrow bands of strong wind in the upper levels of the atmosphere, ribbons of very strong winds which move over weather systems around the globe, strong narrow currents concentrated along a quasi-horizontal axis in the upper troposphere or in the stratosphere, a flat tubular current of air located in the tropopause that is generated by strong pressure gradients which reflect the great temperature differences at high altitudes. As the name implies, the jet stream is a fast-moving current of air that flows through the Earth's atmosphere about 9 to 16 kilometres above the ground. It can reach speeds in excess of 400 kilometres per hour. This animation shows nearly a month's worth of modelled jet stream winds propagating around the Northern Hemisphere. As you can see, the current of air meanders like a river and has sections of faster and slower moving winds. Earth has two main jet streams in each hemisphere, the stronger polar jet, which is shown here, and a weaker subtropical jet, which is located closer to the equator. So, how do jet streams affect the weather here in Australia? The broad arcs or lobes of jet streams can carry large pools of cold or warm air around the globe. The polar jet can send Antarctic air surging over southern Australia during winter, leading to an outbreak of cold weather and snow. If a strong section of the subtropical jet crosses Australia during summer, it can help drag hot tropical air across the southern states. If this pattern becomes slow-moving or stagnant, it can produce heat waves. Jet streams also transport moisture around the atmosphere and they can fuel rainfall events across Australia. This animation shows water vapour during the last 24 hours overlaid with a computer model's rendition of the jet stream to show the relationship between these two features. The jet stream can also help aeroplanes reach their destination faster as long as you're travelling in the right direction. So while the jet stream occurs high in the atmosphere, it affects the weather on the ground throughout the year. If there's severe weather around, there's a good chance that the jet stream is involved in some way. If you've got any ideas for a future episode of Weatherpulse, you can send them through to us at weatherpulse@weatherzone.com.au. Remember, if it's happening in weather, you'll find it here on Weatherpulse.